Hiya! Okay, we are now here. We are in action. My hair looks like garbage. Tis fine. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I kind of thought of it spur of the moment because I was sitting here getting ready and I was about to do my brows because I have reached the point in my makeup routine where that's what I was going to do next. And there's been a product that's been sitting in my brow drawer for quite some time and I've just never really used it because, I don't know, I just haven't. Do I need to reason why? I figured, you know what, this has been sitting in here for so long, I want to kind of research this thing and see kind of what it's about. So the product that I am talking about is this Winky Lux brow pencil. This is what it looks like right here. I got this in a BoxyCharm a long time ago and I've just never used it. And I remember reading about it and just thinking, that's very bizarre. So really kind of the tea on this product is that it is the Uni-Brow Universal Eyebrow Pencil. Basically meaning that this one particular shade is going to work for every eyebrow color out there. So I will read you the description, it's super short, about this eyebrow product. It says, one brow pencil to rule them all. Ooh. Simplify your brow game with the two-step pencil that works on 95% of brow shades. Firm texture gives you maximum control, so anyone can be a brow boss. It says it's cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. Who the hell's gonna eat this? This product has 4.5 stars out of 55 reviews. I wanted to give this guy a try and see kind of, is it actually universal? Will it work for me? Or is this a big old gimmick? So I will go ahead and show you what the color of the product looks like. I spoolied some of it up. What? No, I twisted it up. But that's what it looks like right there. So if I'm just kind of looking at it, it looks to be like a dark taupe-esque color. Let's maybe put it on the back of my hand. Ow. Okay, first impression on the back of my hand is that it is dry as hell. And I don't know, that looks awfully dark in my opinion. Don't mind my crappy self-tan hands. But that looks pretty dark for me. I have pretty light blonde hair. As you can see, it kind of propped up here. My roots are darker naturally, but I don't know. We shall see. I mean, I have decently dark brows, dark eyebrows for having such light blonde hair, but I don't know. I don't know if I can pull off that dark, but we will see. It says it works on 95% of eyebrow shades. However, the people in the photographs on the website, I actually noticed none of them had blonde hair. Most of them had brown hair, so... Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just do my brow routine as I normally would. Normally I use like these brow tattoo type felt paint things. What? But it's basically kind of like a liquidy type substance. I don't normally go for pencil type products because I feel like it pulls my brow hairs out and I barely have any to begin with. So I need them all to remain in place and do their job. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and grab a brush here. I'm going to go ahead and brush my brows kind of in the direction that I want them to go so I can start the penciling process. Okay, we've got the penciling done. I mean, my brows aren't horrible, like as I'm looking at them up in the monitor. They're not really horrible looking if I don't do anything to them, but they are, if you get up close to me, I mean, you can definitely tell that there's some bald spots. I'm scared! Alright. Now it says to use their spoolie. I don't know if that makes any difference, but I'm going to. All right, let's dive in. Let's go. Ah, I'm scared. Oh, what is happening? All right, not off to a good start. It is clear down here. Not sure why. First thought is it's definitely darker than my eyebrow. If you can kind of compare the two, I mean, it's not a drastic darker difference, but I can see it here in person. In the monitor, it's picking up a little bit on how it's darker, but I definitely think it's a little too dark. I'm not done yet, so I'm going to try to dive in here and see if I can make this work. I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of concealer, try to clean up the underneath down here where it really, I feel like I didn't really have a whole lot of control of how the product was applying. And if you guys can see, I don't know if I can get in super close. I don't know, but if I'm like focused enough for you to see, do you see up here where it actually removed the makeup? Up here, like it's gone. Like I literally had on like powders and foundation and concealer up in this area, and it's all gone. Fantastic. So let me go ahead and try to clean this up a smidge. So far, not going the best. Just keeping it real. Winky Lux, I don't really know what's going on with this. It is hella dark. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off, or the other eyebrow off of camera, and pray that it worked out maybe a little bit better than that one. And I will come back and we will see how they look. Alright friends, so this is the final brow look. I thought putting on this left eyebrow, which is the one that I did off of camera, went a little bit smoother. These are some thick brows. Yeah, guys, not good. This is a flop. This is a gimmick. It looks like I almost have black eyebrows, I think. Like, they are far too dark. They are even too dark for the roots of my hair. And in my opinion, I have dark roots. So, I hate this. It's a flop. Screw you, Winky Lux. You suck. So yeah, guys, this was a big old flop. It's a gimmick. It is nothing more than that. Like I said, whenever I noticed there were people that didn't have any blonde hair posting photographs about this and like giving the reviews, I figured this is probably not going to work for me, and it didn't. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I thought it was kind of cool and quirky, because like a universal brow product, how cool would that be if it actually worked? I think the only universal brow product that I know of is clear brow gel. Every brow can use clear brow gel. Okay guys, like I said, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Please don't forget to subscribe before you go. Click that notification bell right beside it so you get notified whenever I upload, because YouTube won't tell you otherwise. I will add all of my social media down below. I've become a lot more active on those, so please don't get super annoyed at me. I'm just trying to improve my engagement. That's all I've got for this one. I will see you guys in the next one. Adios.